Hello, it's Patrick from XPression. I'd like to cover installing the XPression Clips option on your XPression Studio system. On the CD that came with your software in your new dongle, you'll have a CD called Workflow Tools. I'm going to open that and you'll see that there's various software for your XPression systems, and if you're entitled to it by your dongle, they'll be active. We're going to open up Clips. And there's three pieces of software in there. There's Clip Store, INcoder, and Media Control Gateway. Let's set these up. Let's start with the first one. It's called Clip Store. You want to double click it, and you'll see the installer launch. We'll get this out of our way here. I'm going to click Next. It's going to tell us the name of the folder it's going to install it in. Choose the default. It's going to tell us what type of an install it's going to do. It's going to tell us the name of the folder it's going to put it into on the Start menu, and the location of where it's going to install the files. You'll see it extract, stored, and then you'll see Start Clip Service. And you'll see Start Clip Store Service pops up, and it will tell us that the Clip Store service has been successfully started. We'll come back to that in just a minute. We're going to go back to our software again. We're going to install INcoder. And INcoder is a tool for transcoding video files from the different video file formats that your computer can already read and process, and convert them to the XPression codec. Get rid of that window. And I've got the install wizard. I'm going to click Next. It's going to tell me the folder it's going to install the software. Choose the default location. That's probably the best place to put it. It's going to do a full install. Now, it's going to tell us it needs an encoder service user account. Leave these fields blank, and XPression will automatically put in the default system account. I'm going to click Next. It's going to tell us that it's using the default system account. Click OK, and it's going to tell you the name of the Start menu folder. It's going to put these icons in, and then it's going to tell you where the destination where these files are going and what it's installing. So click Install. You'll see the extraction, and then you'll see it's ready to start the encoder service. And these are running Windows services in the background. We're going to let that run. Then you'll see there'll be a pop-up menu telling us that it successfully started the XPression encoder service. And we'll talk about that in a minute. I'm going to go back to the last install piece, and I'm going to find the XPression XP Media Control Gateway. I'm going to double click that software to install it. It's nice to put it now to get it out of our way. You see the install window pop up. I'm going to click Next, and again it's going to tell us where it's going to install it. I'll let the default folder stay. Click Next. You're going to do a full install. It's going to tell us the name of the Start menu folder, and it's going to create a Start menu icon where it's going to install all that, and it's going to tell us that it's finished, and it's going to show us the gateway. And this is the first one that pops up, and what you'll see here, it's telling us what the XPression Media Gateway control is doing. It's telling us that AMCP and BDCP ports are currently open and active. We'll talk about this later, but this is ways that you can control your XPression Clips option from your video switchers and your video controllers. So that's the install process. We'll come back to the individual components in a couple minutes in later videos.